Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. This is Bus Driver Math Day 4. This is question number 6. Let's begin by reading the question. Read it with me. It says, convert the total number of kilometers traveled into meters. Here's your conversion factor right here. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. To solve this problem, we can use our cubes clues. And the first step of the cubes clues is the C step. Circle the numbers. Help me find some numbers. What do you see? I see the number 1. What else do you see? I see the number 1,000. Bam, right there. And that's it. Oh, no, that's a word number. That's not a number. We are done. The next step in our cubes clues is the U step. And the U step says to underline the important words. So find some important words for me. We can start off with the numbers and find the unit. Figure out the unit. So for example, here I have 1 what? 1 kilometer and 1,000 what? 1,000 meters. And look, the word kilometers is right there, so let's underline that. And the word meters is right there too. Underline that. What else do you see? I see the word convert. That means to change one thing to another. Another word is total. You can underline the word number. And I think we're done. We are done with that step. The next step is the B step. And the B step says to box the question. So I'm going to get my handy-dandy, not calculator, my handy-dandy highlighter. And I will highlight that. There's no question. But there is a statement that tells you what to do. And what does it tell you to do? It says to convert the total number of kilometers traveled into meters. Oh, that was the whole statement. All right, that was easy. I'm done with that. The next step is the E step, to eliminate unnecessary information. So to eliminate unnecessary information, we're going to see, is the problem trying to trick you? Is that math problem? Sometimes math problems try to trick you. Life problems try to trick you. But remember, you are smarter than any problem you have to face in your life. Let's see. Nothing trying to trick me there. So I am done with that step. And the last step in our cubes clues is the S step. And the S step says to solve and check. So think about it. To solve the problem, we need to think, what operation do I need to do? Not a doctor operation, a math operation. There are 4. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. Let's think about it. We have 1 kilometer, like that. KM is the abbreviation, is equal to 1,000 meters. Now, 1 meter is about like that. If you stretch your arms out, it's about approximately how long your arms are from tip to tip. It's okay if you have shorter arms or longer arms than me. It's about that length. Now, a kilometer, that's far. 1,000 of these, 1,000 people lining up. So that's kind of like from here to the store, from here to your house, from your house to your grandma's house, or from your cousin's house to your house. Unless you're like neighbors, then that would not be a kilometer. All right, so we need to convert. Now, I have how many? We got to go back to the last question. We got to go back to find out the kilometers. The kilometers we did was right here, 30 and 4/10. I need to remember that. Miss Alana, remember that. We have 30 and 4/10 kilometers. Now to make that, convert that into meters, I need to add that how many times? 1,000 times. Raise your hand if you want to add that 1,000 times. I know you can do that because you're so smart. Now, I think I'm going to do the more efficient way. That means the quicker way, the better way. Unless you want to add, that's fine with me as long as you do it right. Just don't waste paper. Got to save the trees. Save the trees. Save the trees. No! Save the trees and save paper. All right, so we are going to multiply that by 1,000. And we can multiply that by letting the zeros do what? They can roll and hang out. So I am going to write the 1 here and let the zeros hang out right there. Okay? So what we need to focus on is this part right here. Bam, bam, bam. Let's focus on that part. Are you ready to multiply? 1 times 4 is 4. Don't worry about the decimal. The decimal is hanging out with the zeros. Even though they're kind of far apart, they're hanging out. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. Now what do the zeros do? It's time to party. Come on down, zeros. Come on down. Bam, right there. Come on down. Bam, right there. Come on down. Bam, right there. Yes, the zeros are done hanging out. They're coming down. Now, the decimal's done hanging out too. So what do? Count it over. We need to see right there how many numbers. Bloop, 1. So when we go to the answer, we go bloop, 1 right there. Put your comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. And remember, we need to check with our calculator. With my 100 on the calculator. 30 and 4/10. Just like that. Times 1,000 equals, bam, we got that right. They have a decimal at the end. We have a decimal and 0 at the end. It's the same thing. Now we need a unit. What? You want me to show you the other way? I can show you the other way. We could do 30 and 4/10 times 1,000. What do we have to do? How many zeros do you see? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And what do we need to do with that decimal? Move it 3 times. 3 zeros, 3 times. What? 3 zeros, 3 times. What? 3 zeros, 3 times. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right there. And bam, our numbers line up. They're the same. Put your comma right there. Let's write it out with our unit. 30,400. You can put the decimal or not with the 0. Bam, right there. I'll put it right there. And the unit is what? Not kilometers. Meters. We can write meters or the abbreviation M. And we are done with that question. Oh my goodness, we are so smart. Don't forget, subscribe to Miss Delana's YouTube channel. Like all our videos. Get access to all our videos. Get smarter and smarter every day. Tell your parent, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your grandma, tell your grandpa, hey, did you subscribe to Miss Delana's YouTube channel? Because I think if they don't, you're going to get smarter than them. And they're going to say, oh no, you're not. So tell them to subscribe too, so you all can get smarter together all at the same time. See you then.